Today we are learning about our 4-count foxtrot. I specify this because there is a 6-count, but we are not discussing that today. Our time signature in use is a 4/4 time signature, so you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4 to fill up one measure. If you're taking up two measures, like some of the steps we'll talk about next week, you'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, or the other option that I gave. Our leader always starts with their left foot moving forward. So we have step, touch, side, together. A side view would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And our back view, same thing. I purposely kind of slowed that down so you could see it. The speed of those steps will change given what you're dancing to. Our follower will always step with their right foot back in the same fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our waltz.